show. Today we have this recipe called egg stew. It's like a scrambled egg, but we're going to make it in different way. This is going to be called egg stew. And these are the eggs I'm going to be using. And these are all the other ingredients: onions, ugu leaves, which is called pumpkin leaves also as well. These are tomatoes and fresh chili pepper. So wash out and see how I am going to transform these eggs to stew. So please subscribe to my channel, and if you are new on this channel, you are very welcome. And all my subscribers, God will bless you all. And please watch out and see how this food will be transformed. So these are the tomatoes already chopped, and now we are just slicing the pepper, and that will be also with some onions. So watch out and see how we're going to transform this whole thing. Thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel, Your Cooking Show. So these are all the prep. It's done, the eggs and everything is here. So now we're just going to start cooking. So right away we're just going to start the cooking. Now this is hot pot. We add oil. So right away we're just going to add onions. Just have to let this onion cook for at least a few minutes to break it down before we start adding every other ingredient. So right now I'm just going to add all the chopped tomatoes and pepper together in these very onions before we start adding every other ingredient. Now we're just going to add this seasoning and curry to it. And we're going to add a little bit of salt. We're just going to let it cook for some few more minutes before we start making other ingredients. So please subscribe to my channel, Your Cooking Show. So it's time to check. Oh, it's cooking very fast. So right now I have to take it off from the heat and start with the egg. So right now, and this is the one we'll use for the eggs. It's time to start with the eggs. Right away we add a little bit of oil to the pan, and we're going to add the butter. So these are the butter. We're just going to let everything melt before we start with the eggs. So right now we're just going to start adding all the eggs. These are all the eggs. I'm going to add everything to it. This egg, there is nothing except eggs. No salt, nothing else, just eggs. So we just let it be here to cook. After it's cooked, remember we are cooking egg stew. After this egg is very well cooked, that is when we'll start adding all the ingredients that we're going to add to these very eggs. See? It's forming right now. It's going to turn eggs. It's going to turn scrambled egg very soon. So these are the eggs now. It's formed. These are what we need before we start with the stew. So this is it. It's already formed. So it's called scrambled egg. this is all the herbs that we need. This is how it will turn. This is how it will go. So right now, we're just going to start adding all the stew. Remember the stew? This is it. It's already cooked. We're just going to add everything. The reason why we are cooking it this way is because we don't want it to be watery. So if you don't want it to be watery with the tomatoes and pepper, onion, this is how you do your heads, stew heads. This is it. So now you have all the trophy heads inside your stew. So this is how to make your stew heads. So these are all heads and stew, because no water and everything is dry and it's so fluffy, and these are all the scrambled egg stew. So this is it. It's cooked and it's ready to serve. You can eat it with yam, rice, anything. Even you can eat it like that and also eat it with bread. So thank you all for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. These are all the scrambled egg made with just egg and other ingredients, stew eggs. Thanks for now. So right now we're just gonna finish it up with this ugu leaf. You don't need to cook this ugu leaf in just 2 minutes. That is a whole lot for it. So this is it. Look. This is stew egg. You see, this is the stew egg we are waiting for. This is it. So scrambled and so good for you. So it's cooked and it's ready. And please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. Bye for now.